Ahoy, my fellow sea-loving friends. Have you ever packed your bags, daydreamed about those turquoise waters, only to wonder, do I really need my passport for this cruise? Well, you're in luck. Today we're setting sail on an informational odyssey to answer the pressing question: do you need a passport to go on a cruise? So, grab your captain's hat and let's embark on this voyage of discovery. Whether you're a seasoned sailor of the high seas or a first-time cruiser ready to step aboard, one thing's for sure: the world of senior cruises can be as vast as the ocean itself. Today, we'll chart the course through international waters and uncover the mysteries of travel documentation. The thrill of destination planning. But wait, do you need a passport to go on a cruise? Well, it's not a one-anchor-fits-all situation. From the glittering glaciers of Alaska to the balmy Bahamas breeze, each port of call has its own set of seafaring rules. Let's start with Alaska. If you're flying direct from the US and staying within the last frontier's embrace, leave that passport behind. But should your itinerary include a pit stop in Canada or beyond, a passport will be your ticket to the wonders that await. Next up, the Bahamas. A slice of paradise. But to sip on that coconut while basking in the sun, do you have to have a passport to go on a cruise here? Absolutely. However, some cruise lines might let you replace that with a birth certificate or a passport card. Always check ahead, savvy? The allure of Mexico is undeniable. But to dance your way into Cabo San Lucas or Puerto Vallarta, a passport is your essential travel companion. Whether you're sailing from the sunny shores of Florida or the vibrant West Coast, don't forget that crucial document. Now, let's navigate through the spots where a passport isn't your boarding pass. Hawaii, Bermuda, the Caribbean, each a treasure trove of experiences where a driver's license or birth certificate might just be enough to let you set sail on senior cruises. Imagine gliding through Hawaii or unraveling the pink sands of Bermuda without ever needing to flash a passport. Yes, your US ID or birth certificate can be your golden ticket aboard. But, always check with your cruise line for the latest treasure map of travel docs. Now, there be some special considerations to keep in mind, mateys. Are little ones joining your crew? Do children need passports on cruises? It's not always required, but best to verify with your cruise line, lest you walk the plank of paperwork mishaps. And if, perchance, your passport takes its own vacation during your cruise, fear not. Notify the ship's crew, and they'll steer you to calm waters with emergency travel documents. For those of you wondering, do you need a passport for a closed-loop cruise? Well, that's a voyage that may spare you the need. Some cruises are the round-trip kind, setting sail and returning to the same US harbor, and might allow alternate forms of identification. So, dear travelers, we've navigated the currents of passport requirements and discovered the many ports where your dreams can set sail. Be it the tropical climes of the Caribbean or the serene landscapes of Alaska, knowing what documents you need to cruise on Carnival or any other line is the key to an ocean of memories. Remember, every adventure is smooth sailing with a little preparation. Double check with your travel agent or cruise line, and may your next journey be as boundless as the sea itself. If you've enjoyed charting these waters with us, like this video, subscribe for more seasoned wisdom, and share your own cruising tales in the comments below. Until next time, keep cruising, and bon voyage.